The Dodge Charger is the most beloved police vehicle available in North America. It is built in Canada by Canadians. And the new one, the 2024, is electric and has a minimum of 430 horsepower, I think, with all-wheel drive. And that's a completely silent vehicle, unless you turn on the Frazzetti exhaust, in which case it's a loud as fuck vehicle. So this is the most interesting vehicle, period, coming out for quite a while right now. But the fact is, all the police forces all across North America, especially in the USA, are going to want this car. And if Trump gets his way, you're not going to get it.